A sweet and sour filling made with succulent jackfruit, fresh herbs, crunchy nuts, and more makes these crispy lettuce wraps truly irresistible. The base of this recipe is jackfruit that's been canned in brine, so it's important to drain and rinse the jackfruit very well before using. Transfer it to a bowl and pull the jackfruit apart by hand into bite-sized pieces. Since this recipe cooks very quickly, we'll prepare all of our ingredients now, removing the seeds and mincing a small red jalapeno or other spicy pepper. Also mincing some fresh garlic cloves, and peeling a couple inches of fresh ginger before grating it into the same bowl. In a separate bowl, we'll add some tamari, fresh lime juice, and coconut sugar, and mix it together. Now that we're ready to cook, we can warm some oil over medium heat and add the jackfruit. We'll cook this, stirring occasionally, until it starts to gain a little golden color, about 5 minutes. We'll add in the minced aromatics and cook for a minute longer. Then pour in the tamari mixture and stir it in until all the excess moisture has completely evaporated, about 1 more minute. We'll transfer the jackfruit into a mixing bowl and chop up some fresh cilantro, some fresh mint, and a sliced scallion. And fold these greens into the mixture. To assemble the wraps, take a butter lettuce leaf, fill it with a spoonful of cooked quinoa, and add the jackfruit. We love to sprinkle some chopped salted pili nuts on top, an exceptional superfood rich in magnesium and omega-3. Once all the wraps are filled, they're ready to enjoy. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and more at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.